Derek and I took the initiative to create site-based teams during our High Impact Conference last summer after first hearing about site-based teams during the sophomore exchange with Carson Newman College. We analyzed all of our sites to make sure that the model would help our community partners reach their goals as well as our student volunteers reach the goals of the Bonner program. We then considered current Bonners at these particular sites who have shown great improvement and developed leadership skills to begin a trial run for this semester.
We all help with health, education, technological STEM. Human equal rights, give everybody a chance. Gender, love, color, the environment. ESL are used for us development. Homeless, handicapped, and disabilities. Gotta watch your body, still the pride will reach. Hunger, refugees, and poverty, old age. 'Cause everybody's got the card to make a change. Give me a Bonner love, love. It keeps my hopes up high. So Bonner love, love. Bringing world back to where we're full of Bonner love, love. World leaders out forward. We're full of Bonner love, love. Where every voice is heard.
We had a lot of community partners. We had close to 60 of them actually. And when you have that many community partners, you really have a diluted impact on the community. So it's really difficult to move the needle and increase your impact on one place, so to speak. We also noticed that we had a problem that a lot of our students were doing the same sorts of activities over their 4 years, that they weren't really advancing at their sites. With a site-based team model, the really great benefit of the model is that you're able to concentrate your impact onto a few different sites rather than diluting it over all 60 of them. So we decided that we're going to have about 10 or 12 sites that we'll be focusing on. So you might have a student who starts off as a tutor in an after-school program, but then as they develop their academic skills and they learn more about what kind of career they want, they're able to advance and maybe become a volunteer coordinator to recruit other tutors. Or they might decide that they really enjoy grant writing, and so they want to go on and advance to become a grant writer, or they want to be an assessment coordinator for the site and conduct research and those sorts of things that help the site build its capacity so it's able to do an even better job of carrying out its mission and its purpose as an organization. And a really great thing about all this is that it provides our students these additional opportunities, but it does it in a way that doesn't burden the site with having to micromanage a bunch of volunteers who are doing very basic work. It empowers our students and builds the capacity of the site at the same time.
Hello, my name is Jaleesa James. I'm a senior Bonner at Rider University, located in Lawrenceville, New Jersey, and I am the community impact intern for my program. So basically, I work with our community partners and do a lot of training with our site-based team leaders and work closely with our site-based teams. At Rider, we have 9 community partners where our Bonners do consistent service. So that means we have 9 site-based teams and 9 site-based team leaders. When the spring semester rolls around, we kind of review the year and see how the site teams did. And that's the time where we choose the site-based team leaders for the next academic year. And once we choose those site-based team leaders, our summer interns go about planning our community partner lunch. This is a lunch we have during orientation where our site-based team leaders and the site supervisors come together to kind of discuss the year. The site-based team leader can kind of give their big ideas or the plan that they have for the year, and also the supervisor can kind of tell the site-based team leader what they're really expecting. Also during the community partner lunch, I was there when we planned it, our director is there, also our coordinator, and we kind of talked about the program, things that Bonner has done in the past, and basically in what capacity we can assist that community partner. And also, I hold bi-weekly meetings with our site-based team leaders. So we talk about things like attendance, I do different trainings, and we also have site-based team meetings.
We started implementing the site-based teams by having one initial meeting where we met with all the site-based team leaders and discussed with them our short-term expectations as well as what we expect site-based teams to evolve into over the next year or so.
No comment.
I will be passing the torch to Honor to continue to implement site-based teams in the fall, as this semester was a trial run. I revised the agreement forms Jaleesa sent me, which are the ones that Rider University uses. I hope to help Honor with site-based visits before the end of this semester so everything is in line and ready to go for the fall.